Hi, it's been a while. The seasons have changed and there's still things changing. I know exactly what you're going through trying to shop, still with this virus hanging over us as well. I went to the store just a few days ago, lined it up with my hat and my mask and my purse and my grocery list, and uh, got all twisted up trying to get it together. And I realized I'd misplaced my grocery list. Anyway, I phoned my husband to say, hey, can you, maybe I left it on the table. Could you take a picture of it and send it over? And then I can finish up. And it just seems to take forever to get anything done these days. I'm sure you can feel the same way. And the crazy part is, my husband just phoned me about 20 minutes ago. He forgot his list on the dining room table too, so I had to send that to him. So every household is just a little bit different. So what I've been doing over the last few weeks is trying to figure out how I can help you. We started talking about taking charge earlier in the summer, and I gave you some tips on how to get some personal boundaries and just present yourself properly. And you know what? There's still so much more going on. So I've got two really interesting things for you coming up this fall. So take notes on that. The first one is our Home Harmony is now Home Harmony for Life and group sessions. Yes, 2 groups are starting in November. Give me a note, send me a note about your interest. I'll find out which time zone that you're in and what's going on. And because you're on my newsletter, you get the early bird price. So send those things out to me soon. The second one, also very, very exciting. I figure we want to have more luck in our lives. We want to be able to cultivate good vibes and good things. And I've assembled a group of gals to talk about that. The recipe, the secret recipe to creating good luck in your home. And we're just having a little roundtable discussion October 20th. I'd love to have you join us. These gals are amazing. We're going to be talking about health and fitness, relationships, looking into the future. We've got a horoscope girl on there. And of course, how you can use chocolate in your meditations. So that's a real winner as well. So put that in your calendar. October 20th, there is the pre-registration link just farther down on here, and I would just absolutely love you to join us. Love to get some feedback, and collectively we can all make an effort to make the world a better place. So think about those 2 things here. The holidays are just around the corner, and guess what? Let's send out 2020 on a positive note, because there's way more cool stuff waiting for us in 2021.